In this video, I will show how to quickly find duplicates and unique values in two columns of Excel. So firstly select them and conditional formatting, then highlight cells rules, then click on duplicate values. Here select duplicate and here you can select the color code like yellow. So we can see these all values are duplicate. You will find 2 or 3 times. And similarly, you can select your sheet if you have multiple numbers. Select here, then formatting, duplicate values, and select here color code. Similarly, you can find the uniqueness and click on OK. So thanks for watching.